In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Google Calendar with Outlook, making scheduling and time management even more convenient. Let's dive in. First, we're going to start by visiting Google Calendar. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the settings. Typically, you can find them in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by a gear icon. Click on this to open the settings menu. Within this menu, you'll see a list of options related to your calendar functionalities. What you're looking for is a section where you can select the specific calendar you plan to integrate with Outlook. Be sure to click on that calendar to access its individual settings. Once you've selected your calendar, you'll find an option labeled Integrate Calendar. This area contains various tools and links that will allow you to connect your Google Calendar with other applications. Here, you'll see a secret address in iCal format. It's crucial to note that this link is designed to be private and not to be shared publicly, as it gives full access to your calendar events. So go ahead and copy this secret iCal link to your clipboard by highlighting it and using a right-click or a keyboard shortcut. Now, we're ready to move on to Outlook. Begin by opening the Outlook.com website in your favorite web browser. Once there, navigate over to the Calendar section. This is usually found in the left-hand menu, possibly near your Mail or People tab, depending on how your dashboard is arranged. Inside the Calendar section, you're going to add your Google Calendar. To do this, look for an option that says Add Calendar. Hovering over this option should reveal a submenu. Within this submenu, locate and click Subscribe from Web. This is where you'll be able to input the calendar details that you have just copied. In the blank field that appears, paste your previously copied iCal link. After pasting the link, you'll also want to give your calendar a recognizable name. This step is important as it helps you easily identify this calendar amidst possibly many others you may have in Outlook. A descriptive name will save you time and help avoid any confusion later on when looking for specific events. Once you've named your calendar, all that remains is to click on the Import button. This action triggers Outlook to fetch and display all events from your Google Calendar. After a short moment, you should be able to see your Google Calendar events now appearing in Outlook. It's a seamless integration that makes managing your schedule across both platforms just a little bit easier. And that's it. You've successfully added your Google Calendar to Outlook. This integration means you can view events and manage appointments with even more flexibility. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly streamlined scheduling experience.